అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మనోభిరామం యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్కి స్వాగతం. నేను మహతి ఉమాశంకర్ని. మా ఛానల్ని ఆదరిస్తున్న ప్రేక్షకులందరికీ హృదయపూర్వక కృతజ్ఞతలు. ఈనాటి విషయంలోకి వెళదాం. వెల్కమ్ టు ద వరల్డ్ ఆఫ్ వేదగణితం. Under the heading of Aganita Ganitam, we are trying to explore the concepts of Vedaganitam. In the previous episodes, we tried to find out the square of a two-digit number by using Vedaganitam principles. We have experienced the speed and accuracy of this. You can check with those episodes as I have given the links of those videos in the description box. Let's move on to today's session. In the previous session, we were discussing about a special case of squaring a two-digit number, that is a number which ends with 5. For example, 15 square, 35 square, 45 square and so on. And in today's session, let us discuss the numbers that start with 1 and the numbers that end with 1. The numbers that start with 1, what are those? 11 square, 12 square, 13 square, 14 square, like that up to 19 square. And the numbers that end with 1, what are those? 21 square, 13, just make the digits swapped. 31 square, 41 square, 51 square, like that up to 91 square. So, we'll see how to do this. So, let us work on squaring of a two-digit number that starts with 1. 12 is a two-digit number that starts with 1 and we are going to square it now. For this, we have to remember a principle, that is multiplication, addition and 1. This is a small principle that we have to remember. At units place, we should perform multiplication. The tens place digit, we have to perform the addition, and at the end, we will get 1. This is a principle that we are going to apply now. And these two operations will be performed on this digit. And this digit means 1 that is there in the tens place will remain as it is. We'll see it now. And first, multiplication means 2 should be multiplied by itself. 2 into 2. And now for the tens digit, 2 plus 2, and for ones it will be 1 only. So, what do we get? 1, 4, 4. So, 12 square is nothing but 144. We'll check with another example. 13 square. First digit will be 3 into 3. Will be 9, and tens digit 3 plus 3 will be 6, and for 1 it will remain as it is. So 13 square will be 169. Isn't it simple? And now we'll take few more examples. The first digits at the units place, we will have 4 square, that is 16, and at the tens place it will be 4 plus 4, it will be 8, here it will be 1. But remember, it's not 18, 16, because this is the place only for one digit. If we get the double digit, we should remember that this digit should be carried to the next place. So, what it will be now? It will be 6 1 will be carried to here. It will be 9 and 1. 196 is the answer for 14 square. Now for units place, we will get 5 square is 25. 5 will be here and 2 will be kept as carry. And at the tens place, 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 2 carry is 12. 2 and 1 will be kept as carry. And now 1 will be here and this carry will be added. It will be 225. We'll check with 16 square now. At the units place, 6 6 are 36. 3 will be kept as carry and 6 plus 6 will be 12 plus 3, 15. 1 will be kept as carry and 1 plus this one will be 2. 256 is the answer for 16 square. 17 square, 18 square and 19 square. 17 square, 7 sevens are 49. 4 will be kept as carry. Now for the tens place, addition should be done. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 4 will be 18. 1 will be the carry. For this one will be added to here and 289 is the answer for 17 square. For 18 square, 8 8s are 64. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 6, 22. 2 plus 1 will be 3. For 19 square, 9 9s are 81. 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 8, 26. 2 plus 1, 3. In this way, we can do the squares of the 2 digits numbers that starts with 1. Now, let us check the 2 digit numbers that ends with 1. For example, the very first example is 12 square, no, for this, and now 21 square. So, how we have done it? 1 plus and multiply. In this way we have done it. Now this 1 and 2, these digits were interchanged. The place values of these digits were interchanged. So now we will interchange this concept also. Means into, plus and 1. That's all. We'll see now how we have done it. 2 into 2. 2 plus 2 and 1. Here 1 and now 2 plus 2, 2 into 2. So 1, 4, 4. 41 is the answer for 21 square. Here 144. We'll check with another example. 31 square. Again it is simple now. 3 digits. First digit will be static, that is 1, constant, and now 3 plus 3. And now 3 into 3 means 1, 6 and 9. 961 is the answer for 31 square. Understood? And now we'll move on to the remaining numbers. 41 square, 51 square. 41 square, it will be 1 and in the middle we have to plus, add, means 4 plus 4 will be 8. Here it is multiplication. 4 4s are 16. Isn't it simple? Let us just speed on the process now. 61 square, 71 square, 81 square, 91 square. 1 will be at the end. 6 plus 6, 12, 1 will be kept as carry. 6 6 are 36 plus 1, 37, 1, 7 plus 7, 14, 1 as carry. 7 7s are 49 plus 1, 50, 1, 8 plus 8, 16, 8 into 8, 64 plus 1, 65. And here 1, 9 into 9, 18, 9 9s are 81 plus 1, 82. Like how we can do the squaring of double digit number that ends with 1. So, for the double digit numbers that start with 1, the formula will start from 1. 1 plus multiplication. For the digits that end with 1, it will be, the formula is also will be reversed. It will be multiplication, addition and 1. So, if you just remember that point in the mind, we can simply work on the squares. Hope you have enjoyed today's session and it will be helpful for our daily mathematical routine. Dhanyavad.